Every year we have at the top of the news about forest fires destroying millions of acres of habitat and products, and we're having to hear about billions of dollars in property lost and tens of thousands of homes, and not counting the loss of human life in fighting forest fires, and on top the cost of all that. And what I have is a means to prevent forest fires from getting to the point of causing mega destruction. My name is Ernie Peluso, and I have a website, New Energy Industry, and on one page I have one called NASA, and I talk about artificial gravity made with an effect force cell. And this is what an effect force cell looks like, and what it does is that it repels, let's go back to this one, repels the gravitational pull of the Earth. Right here we have a 2,000-pound vehicle, and when this 2,000-pound vehicle, the cells create a lift of so much as a gram over 2,000 pounds, it will repel the gravitational pull of the Earth, creating a point of density. Now I've figured out that if you focus in a circle these cells and then make it larger and small, it will create a force field that would work like a straw, have a large body of water. It will raise the water up into a transfer station, screening out the debris, and then another, now that could be thousands of feet here, and then what we have is a secondary transfer station, and it could be hundreds of miles away from here to here, and would have sub-transfer stations lined up over the fire, the head of the fire, and when it draws water, it'll feed the distributor, and then the sub-transfer stations will draw water on it as it's needed to put out the fire overlapping. And this is done with effect force being focused. This is focused effect force. And so this could be a lake or a large river, and this could be deployed. We could have several stations in the northwest, and these can be deployed. This is what effect force needs to be powered with. This I discovered 42 years ago. The effect force cell focused was something that came up just a few weeks ago in preventing forest fires. What happens here is we have a motor generator, and it's DC. We have a voltage regulator, we have a governor, and we have a power supply. At the factory, when this is being assembled and energized by the power supply is eliminated. The governor will govern the RPMs, the voltage regulator will govern the voltage of the New Energy Industry power plant, and it will be running at a low RPM until such time it's needed. There's probably at least 1 million applications for a New Energy Industry power plant.